Highway guardrails are much more than metal rails on the side of the road. They're literal lifesavers designed to reduce crash impacts and protect drivers. But ever thought about how they're installed? Well, the process starts with hammering massive steel posts straight into the ground. These heavy-duty posts are the backbone of the highways. Once the posts are in place, the rail beams are lifted and aligned. But the main catch is that these beams are manually bolted onto each post. Bending that steel ramp is a team effort, and every bolt matters since these rails need to withstand massive impacts. Each section is tightened to exact specifications, ensuring no weak spots. And here's a cool twist. The ends of guardrails, known as terminals, are actually designed to absorb energy and redirect impacts. They're installed with extra safety features, so cars don't get dangerously snagged. So, the next time you're cruising down the highway, remember the incredible strength behind every guardrail. What other unsung heroes of the road do you think deserve more recognition? Share this video to spread the appreciation for highway safety.